In this video I want to talk about problems with the local installation of Node.js and or Flowise. In the next video I promise we will install Flowise in Node.js. And if you do not have any problems with the normal Node.js installation, of course you can skip this video, because we just talk about NVM for Windows and how we can manage our Node versions. It will be really easy. I think you get something out of this video even if you have no problems installing Flowise. And if not, you can simply skip this video and see the next video to install Flowise immediately, and you can come back to this video if the local installation somehow does not work for you. One of the biggest problems that I see all the time is that we do not use the correct Node version. Flowise, at least at this moment, works only with version 18, 19 or 20. If you install the newest version of Node, chances are great that you work with version 22 or even version 23. And in order to fix this, we need to downgrade Node.js. I have here some tips how you can do this, but in this video I want to show you exactly what you need to do. And the second thing, also please make sure that you are administrator of your system. If you are not administrator, you have a hard time using this. Most likely you have Node.js already installed, and this is how you can use the terminal in order to see what Node version is activated. You see version 20.16.0 is at least right now at this minute active on my own system. So please just type in this commando and see for yourself what you have installed. The next thing that we need is NVM for Windows. Just Google it and press on the first link that is available on GitHub. It's this link right here. Then we scroll down a little bit and we press here download now. We scroll down once again and we download the NVM setup exe. We need this in order to make updates on Node. Then you simply make the normal installation of this thing, just press on it and install it. As soon as this is installed, you can open up your terminal once again. And then you type in, for example, NVM list. And this thing will list out what Node version is installed on your system. And now I want to show you how you can install new versions or old versions. You can go on Node and see for yourself what Node versions are there. Version 23.6 or also some older versions. You can simply see for yourself what's activated, what's new and so on. Version 20.18.0 works for me great, but I just make a quick example in order to install an old version. We simply type in NVM install. Then we search what we want to install, for example, 18.20.5, and we simply type in 18.20.5 and we send this out, and this will be like nearly immediately. I send it and there it is installed. Now you can do once again, for example, NVM list in order to see what's active. The thing where you see the star, this thing is active and both of these versions are installed. If you want to switch to these versions, you can simply type it in. And in order to switch from 20.16.0 to 18.20.5, you simply type in NVM use 18.20.5 and you send it out. And boom, now we use this version. So right now we use the older version of Node. Then if you type in NVM list, you see that right now this is active, the thing with the star. And this is how you can switch these Node versions. I would strongly recommend you to try 20.60.0 for Flowise, because this is what I use and this makes never ever problems, at least on my system. So type it in, send it out, and then use NVM list in order to check that this thing is active. And boom, there we have it. So long story short, if you have problems with the installation of Flowise in Node.js, it is most likely because you use a version that is either too new or too old. Just try to switch to version 20.60.0 and then everything will work.